يلا شباب هاتوا العناقيد اللي عندكم.
Keep it moving, don't let it back up. Watch the sides, watch the sides. Clear the chute.
Asegura bien eso de atrás. Ya casi termino, no te preocupes.
All right, bring it back slow. Keep coming. Little more, and hold it right there. Perfect.
We just passed the 5-ton mark. The moisture content looks good on this batch.
Check the pressure on manifold 3, and we're still seeing some debris on the lower belt.
The alignment seems spot on now.
Yes, the pressure is consistent across all rollers.
Keep the pace up, we've got a big shipment today. We need to clear this batch by noon.
We have an overflow on the jumbo dates.
I am adjusting the frequency now.
Make sure the calibration is checked before the next run.
Already done, boss. Everything is green.
Alignment looks good on the last batch. Keep the speed steady.
The next load is ready for pickup.
Copy that. Moving into position now.
We need to speed up the line on the next shift.
I know, but the quotas are getting unrealistic.